Hey guys, welcome back. In the today's session, let us go ahead and explore pioneer chart, donut chart, and tree map. So when do we use this visual? In a composite data, whenever the data columns or a category columns is less than 5, means it is not plenty in number. It should not be more than 5, or else the visual will be fuzzy. It will not be optimized. So make sure that we need to use a category column such that which is limited to 4 at max. Alright. So I feel like discount band is a category where we are having none, low, medium and high values. So only 4 values. So let us go ahead with the discount band. So we'll take discount band by sales in order to visualize a pie chart. So go ahead and launch your Microsoft Power Desktop, and in a new tab just go ahead and take the pie chart on the canvas. So get the pie chart over here. The moment you take a pie chart, the first thing is we need to take discount band under legend and sales onto the values. That's it. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll format the visual first, and then we can replicate the same visual to donut and tree map as well. So let us click on the visual, go to the format your visual option. Under format your visual, let us go to detail labels. So under detail labels, we can show the details as per our requirement. We basically have 4 different options, means only the data value, only the percentages, the category and the data, the category and the percentage, and all detail labels. But we would prefer only the percentage values because we generally show only percentage with respect to data whenever we are displaying pie chart, right? Once again, it's a personal preference. Once again, I generally prefer percentages of the discount band segment occupied. So I will be taking uh, either data value or percentages of the total is something that I generally recommend and prefer. So let us go ahead and take percentage of the total over here. So we get the percentages. So the detail labels has been modified. Now let us go to the slices and select the colors accordingly. These two are fine. Instead of orange, let us take light gray, and instead of purple, let us go ahead and take light blue. I feel this looks a bit ideal. The first one, I think we can make it a bit darker now. Purple, shall we make it a bit darker? Yeah, that's it. Now we'll format the details, I mean the percentage details. We'll go to format. After going to format, let us go to detail labels, expand the values. Over here, let us make this size as 12 and the color as the dark blue. Okay. The font family, let us keep it Arial. Let us make it bold. And always make sure that your legend should be aligned as top center. We have 4 types of alignment. I will show you the alignment. Let us expand our legend option. Either it is center right, top left, top center, top right, top left stack, corner left, bottom center and bottom right. So you can explore the various positions. I would generally prefer top center. It's really uniform and it looks quite distributed enough. So that's the reason I would prefer that. And now let us go to general and let us keep the title name properly. discount band by save. Font family as Arial, bold, text color as dark blue, and make it center align. Let us go ahead and beautify the legend as well. Let us go to legend. Expand the title, color as dark blue, make it bold. That's it. Now what we'll do is we'll enable the shadow under effects. Go to format. Now go to general. Under general we have effects over here. Let us enable the shadow and keep it blue. So just similar to pie chart, we can also use donut chart as well. What I will be doing is I will be copying this visual and apply the format painter. Okay, I'll be copy this visual and paste the visual. I have duplicated. Now I can convert this pie chart into donut chart, right? So you can just select this visual and click on donut chart. Okay. Now I prefer we could give the visual border, just click on the visual and go to format. Now go to general, and under general we have effects over here. Enable the visual border and make it mild blue. Similarly, click on the donut chart. Let us go to format, go to general. Under general we have effects. Over effects, just enable the visual border and make it sky blue. You can expand in a way that so that it looks aligned, because we need to accommodate Treemap as well in this particular tab. So for Treemap, let us go ahead and select the Treemap visual over here. Let us get the visual just right over here. Over here, let us get a category and sales value. Our category is discount band, and the category and the details would be sales. Here also you can change the colors of the various bands. Go to format your visual. Instead of orange and purple, I would like to give the similar colors, that is sky blue and grey. Under colors, just expand the colors. Over here we have orange, right? Make it grey. And purple, let us make it light blue. Yeah. Now what we'll do is we shall modify the title just similar to donut or pie chart. Discount band by sales. Having done that, make the font as Arial. Now convert the text color as dark blue. Make it center aligned and make it bold. Let us change the values. Like make it a bit bigger. Go to visuals, category labels. Let us keep it 12. Say just semi bold will take. Alright. Let us go to general. Let us enable the visual border as sky blue. Visual border. Once again as sky blue. Having done with that, we can enable the shadow as well. in order to give a 3D appearance. Now go ahead and save it up. Always make sure that whatever changes that you make on a regular basis, keep it saved so that our work will not be lost. Let us name the tab name, just do double click, let us name the tab name as pie chart, donut, tree map. So that's it for today, guys. Okay, let's connect in the next video and explore some more visuals. Till then, happy analyzing and take care, guys.